Are you ready to elevate your gaming experience by playing Apple Music on your PS4? In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 effective methods to stream your favorite lines while you game. Let's dive in. Method 1. Using a USB drive. Step 1. Convert your Apple's music songs. Since Apple Music songs are protected, you will need to convert them to a compatible format. Use a tool like CDFI or TuneFab to remove the encryption and convert the tracks on MP3 or AAC format. Step 2. Transfer to USB drive. Once converted, plug your USB drive into a computer and transfer the music files onto it. Step 3. Connect USB to PS4. Insert the USB drive into your PS4. Navigate to the Media Player app, select the drive and choose the songs you want to play. Now enjoy your music while gaming. Method 2. Streaming via DLNA media server. Step 1. Step up a DLNA media server. Install a DLNA media server application on a computer such as Plex or Bubble UPnP. This will allow you to share media files over your home network. Step 2. Access Media Player on PS4. Open the PlayStation Store. Find the Media Player app and launch it. Step 3. Connect your devices. Ensure both your PS4 and iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone, select a DLNA server you set up. You can now stream any Apple Music song directly from your phone to your PS4. And there you have it. With these 2 methods, you can easily enjoy Apple Music on your PS4 while immersing yourself in your favorite games. Whether you choose to use USB drive or stream via DLNA, you are all set for an enhanced gaming soundtrack. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Happy gaming!